Here's your helpful little hack for the day. If you want another extra layer of security when you're writing documents that you don't want to be washed or changed or anything like that, these are a pigment-based ink and they can't be check washed, so they're really good for, they can't be washed with acetone, so nobody can change your documents, nobody can change your signature, nobody can change your um, amount on your check if you wrote a check or whatever. They're the Uniball 207 gel pens, and they are archival quality. So if you want to write something that will last as long as the paper does, then these are them. So yeah, nice, and they write really nicely too. I'll show you. I was just writing there a second ago with those. So yeah, they write really nice. Uniball 207 gel pens. These are the 0.7 millimeter black ones. And yeah, they write really nicely. So I like them.